What's up guys? I've got another giveaway for you today and it is this GoPro. All you have to do to win this is like the video and comment down below when you're done. You know how it works, it's super easy to win stuff on this channel. I actually got given this GoPro and a bunch of others for a GoPro shoot, and I literally just found it the other day and it's just one that's left over, so it's brand new. So since we're here, I might as well show you my office real quickly. It's super messy right now. I got a few new things that might be cool to show you. So the first thing is this Blue Yeti microphone, and it's a USB microphone, so it literally just like plugs into my laptop and it records really good quality sound. So hopefully you will notice that in the new tutorials. And I actually got this really cool like mic stand for it as well, but I need an attachment to screw onto here so that it can hang down, but I don't know what size it is, so yeah, trying to figure that out. And then this is my laptop, which I do all my editing on. It's a 2015 MacBook Pro, and I'm just currently editing some photos from London the other day. Also picked up the iPhone 10. Loving that so far, it's good. I don't think I updated you on this, but I also got the Xeon Crane 2, which is amazing. I would highly recommend getting this. You can link it up to your phone and like control it from your phone and everything to change all the settings. And we got some drones over here, some lenses. Super messy right now. So over the next like month or two, I'm planning on traveling loads and just filming loads. And then when I get back, I want to have another really cool editing competition, because so many of you enjoyed that and it was really cool to see everyone's edits. So I'm definitely going to do another one of those real soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Like and comment down below if you want to win the GoPro, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next video.